How to convert LazPayLater into GCash. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to convert your LazPayLater into your GCash account. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to check if your LazPayLater has already been reimbursed or placed into your Lazada wallet. To do so, if you're going to be using the web version, it's going to be the same if you're using your mobile device as well. Make sure that you're logged in into your Lazada account. Click on your account name, and from here, go into Manage My Account. Now, on the next page, this is where all your profile will show up, but you just need to switch under Lazada Wallet below Manage My Account. Click that. And this is where you can actually see the current balance of your LazPayLater. All you have to do is to tick it and add a specific amount on how much you would like to cash out from your LazPayLater into your GCash, and then other save methods. Make sure that your GCash has already been registered into your Lazada account so that you can hit on confirm selection. And that's it. That is how you convert LazPayLater into GCash.